Hello, I am Darren from Miro AI Studio. Today I will show you how to create powerful empathy maps in Miro using our professional templates. Click Templates in your left toolbar and search for Empathy Map. With over 30 empathy map templates available, choose one that fits your research approach. Let's say this one. Click Use Template, and you get a professionally structured framework with the 4 essential quadrants: think and feel, see, say and do, and hear. Think and feel captures internal thoughts and emotions. Add insights like, worried this tool is too complex for their team, or excited about potential time savings. See records what users observe in their environment. Add notes like, notices competitors have simpler interfaces, or sees colleagues struggling with similar tools. Hear captures what users hear from others. Include quotes like, coworkers complain about slow performance, or manager emphasizes need for better collaboration. Say and do combines user quotes with observed behaviors. Add notes like, says, this seems expensive but still completes the purchase, or claims to love the feature but never actually uses it. Use the pain section for user frustrations and obstacles. The gain section captures what users hope to achieve and their desired outcomes. This analysis helps product managers prioritize features that address real pain points while maximizing the gains users actually care about. Your completed empathy map becomes a shared reference for design decisions. UX teams see exactly what users need. Product managers understand feature priorities. Development teams grasp the user context behind requirements. You can even use Miro AI for creating docs or tables with next steps, pros and cons, or whatever you need to improve your work speed. No more guessing about user motivations or debating design choices without data. Transform qualitative research into visual insights that drive better products. Your empathy map ensures every design choice serves real user needs instead of assumptions. Create your empathy map in Miro today and subscribe for more UX research tutorials that bridge the gap between user insights and great design. Thanks for watching.